following tutorial is for Allen Bradley PLCs using the Studio 5000 Logix Designer. This video will show how to add add-on instructions or AOIs to the driver. Please ensure that the AZ modules have already been installed. If the AZ modules have not been installed, please see the how to add a module video. AOIs are a template for commonly used logic that can be used to reduce repeated work. Let's begin by downloading the AOI files from the Oriental Motor website. The files can be found on the Oriental Motor website by hovering over the Downloads tab and clicking on Software. Scroll down to the Add-on Instruction File section and click Download. Fill in the required information and submit. Select and click the appropriate voltage to your driver. Find the location of the AOI files. This may be located in your Downloads folder. Unzip the AOI files to a known location. In this example, we will unzip the files to the desktop. Once the AOI files have been downloaded, we will use the Studio 5000 software to install the AOI files into the PLC. Each AOI file will need to be installed individually. In this video, we will give an example of installing the monitor AOI file. Let's begin by opening the Studio 5000 software. In the Controller Organizer section, click on the arrow by the Assets folder. Right-click on the add-on instructions, then select Import Add-on Instructions. Find the AOI files which were previously saved on the desktop. Select the Monitor AOI file and click Open. The Import Configuration window will appear. Click OK. The AOI has finally been installed. If installed correctly, the AOI file will appear in the Assets section of the Controller Organizer under Add-on Instructions. This completes this section. Thank you for watching and please check out our other tutorials.